Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can trade cryptocurrency, forex and other commodities. If you want to trade all these markets all in one platform, then the Primexbt exchange is what you are going to use. And I am going to walk you through step by step on how to do it. To get started, you can go ahead and click on register right here. All you need is just an email address and you can go ahead and create an account on Primexbt. Once you've signed up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Over here is the wallet section. If you click on this, these are the different coins that you can deposit on the Primexbt exchange. And to do so, you can simply click on deposit on any of these coins right here. The next section over here is the margin trading. Once you've made your deposit and you want to start trading, you would have to transfer your funds from your wallet to your margin trading account. If you click on this margin trading, this is what you are going to use to place your trades. As you can see right now, I have transferred some funds in my margin trading account. You can also create a new account right here. You click on this. You would have to choose the base currency that you want to trade with. Right here, you can select any of these coins when you want to open a margin trading account. I would click on this USDC, confirm. Right here, you can see that my margin USDC account has been created. If I want to fund my wallet, I will click on fund right here. Once I have USDC present in my account, then you would see the available balance right at this section, and you can select the amount of USDC you want to transfer from your wallet to your margin trading account. And also, once you've opened your margin trading account, you can input a promo code. I am going to leave my specific promo code in the description of this video, where you can get up to $7,000 in bonus when you sign up on the Primexbt exchange. I am also going to leave my referral link in the description of this video. Now, this is exactly how to go about all this. You can go over to the home page right here. You would see that I can only open one margin account with any of these coins, alright? So presently, I have BTC, USDC and USDT margin account already created on this platform. I can also create an Ethereum margin account and this co-vesting margin account. In this video, I am going to use the margin USDT. As you can see, this is where my funds are available. So I will click on trade right here. You can see that right now I am on the margin tab, and this is exactly how the platform looks like. You can see the market section right here, the price chart. You can also include some indicators. At the bottom section, you can see your open orders and also any open position that has been placed. Let's talk about the asset that you can trade using this platform. If you go over to the market section right here, you click on this. Right here, you can trade index and commodities. You can also trade crypto and forex. If I select crypto right here, these are the various crypto assets that you can trade on the Primexbt exchange. You can also check out the forex section right here. You click on forex. If you are interested in trading forex, then this is a good selection of trading pairs. And you can also trade index and commodities. Click on this and select CFD. Right here, you can trade the Dow Jones, the S&P 500. You can also buy and sell gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas on the Primexbt exchange. Make sure you have a good amount of technical analysis before entering any trade on any exchange. Right now, since my main focus is cryptocurrency trading, I would have to select the crypto section right here. For me to start trading, I can select any of these trading pair. Right now, let's click on Ethereum. This is the Ethereum price chart. Now, on this price chart, you can draw several lines and use this to trade. For example, you can draw a trend line in this price chart to assist you with your technical analysis. You can use various tools on this platform before placing your trade. You can click on any of these to place your trade. If I want to enter a long position, I would click on buy right here. This window is going to pop up and you can select if you want to use limit order, market order, stop limit order or OCO. I am going to walk you through how you can use all these order types in this video. Right now, let's start with the market order type. The next step is to select the quantity I want to trade, and below right here you would see the margin. This amount is the margin required to open this position based on my preferred quantity. I can change this right here to 1 Ethereum, and you can see that the margin required has increased to 13 USDT. So this is what I would be using to open this position. This right here is the current price, and I can go ahead and buy long or sell short. Right now I would stick with buy, and I can place my stop loss and take profit before placing an order. Right here is my stop loss and my take profit. For this trade, my stop loss would be below the current price and my take profit would be above the current price since I am entering a long position. So I would go ahead and input my stop loss right here at around 26.40 and my take profit would be at around 26.90. You can see right here that my estimated loss is at around 21 USDT and my estimated profit is at around 28 USDT. If I am to place a trade right here, keep in mind that I am going to pay fees. Now let me show you the exact fees that you are going to be paying when you place this order. If you go over to the Primexbt website, click on the About section right here and select Fees and Conditions. This right here are details of the commission that you would be paying, the minimum order size, the maximum trade size, and you can also see the maximum leverage required for opening a position in each asset. Keep in mind that there is going to be a daily funding in every opened position. You can also click on each sections right here. For example, click on crypto and this will display crypto assets, the forex section, and you can see the different trading pairs. Click on index, the same thing, commodity, also the same thing. So this is a breakdown of each asset that you want to trade. Right now I can place a trade of 1 Ethereum at this current price. Keep in mind that on Primexbt, you are going to be using cross margin throughout. There is no isolated margin in Primexbt. So the available balance in your margin trading account is what is going to be used to keep your position opened. And you can use up to 100x leverage on Primexbt. Once you've understood all this, you can go ahead and place your order right here. This would execute on market price. I would click on confirm and you can see that my order has been created. If you look at the bottom right here, this is my order. As you can see that I am trading Ethereum and I placed a long position to buy 1 Ethereum at the current price of 26.65. Now this right here is my entire position and you can see right now I am in a slight profit. To cancel this trade, you can click on the X section right here and I can immediately cancel this trade with this amount of profit. So you can click on close position right here, confirm. You can see that my order has been filled and I have successfully closed my position. You can also use various order types like the limit, the stop limit, and the OCO. If I click on the limit, right here I can set the specific price that I want to buy Ethereum. I can choose to buy 1 Ethereum slightly below the current price. For example, my limit price is at 20.50. I can choose to set my take profit and stop loss at the same time before entering a position. If I go ahead and click on this, confirm, go to the order section right here, you would see that my order has been placed and my limit price is at around 26.50. When this current price goes to 26.50, my order would be executed. And if I want to cancel this order, I can click on the X right here, confirm. So this is how you use limit order when you want to place a trade on the Primexbt exchange. You can also select your stop limit. In trading, you use stop limit when you want to buy above the current price or when you want to sell below the current price. Stop limit is what traders use to enter or exit a position when the market has a good amount of volatility. That's basically how you use stop limit. You can also select the OCO. In this order type, you can place 2 orders, and when one of the orders gets executed, then the second order would cancel. For example, I can place an order to buy at 26.50 and another order to sell at 26.70. Using the OCO, if I click on send order right here, my orders would be placed in the order section. You can see right here, 2 orders have been placed to buy or sell at this particular price. If the price goes down to this level at 26.50, my order would be executed and the sell order would be terminated. You can also cancel your orders by clicking on this X right here, cancel this order, and you can see that the second one has been terminated. This is basically how you place your trade on the Primexbt exchange. If you go to this top section right here, you can see that this is the information of my margin trading account, and currently I have a reward of 10 USDT. I would leave a link in the description of this video where you can get up to $7,000 in this reward section, and I would also leave this detailed explanation in the description of this video where you can properly understand how to do all this and also the rules and regulation of this campaign. This right here is all you need to know about the margin trade section. You can also buy crypto on the Primexbt exchange if you click on this. In this section, you can buy crypto with any of these platforms. You can use Coinify or Paxful to fund your account. If you go over to the next section right here and click on copy trading, this section is if you want to copy other traders' strategy. So you can follow any of this strategy and make consistent profits for yourself. In my next video, I am going to explain each section right here and the best way to select a profitable trading strategy. Go over to the next section right here. You can make passive income by staking any of these crypto assets on Primexbt. I am going to show you exactly how to do all this in my next video. And the last section right here is the contest section. Right here is where you can test your skills with other traders on the Primexbt platform. And as you can see, it is risk-free. I truly hope you like this kind of content, and if you did, you can please give this video a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. Right now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.